So I woke up few minutes back. Hmm? Uh, I went out, paid the Wi-Fi bill in cash. Then I went out, had a tea, took my this thing, my fast. I have to break my fast. Then I came here, but I woke up with a very happy mood. Wait, I'll give you the time. It's 11:25 over there, and let me see. It's 11:22. I was right. 3 minutes. It's faster. So. Uh, I woke up with a my case this famous. I thought I have to go to Goa, Italy, then USA. I had no clue. I had a direct ticket. So, anyways, uh, uh, stolen phone and dead phone. Stolen phone follows me. Dead phone makes nudes, and into their nudes, into their prostitution racket. Those are the men who are around with me with those phones. I what do you call it? Even in their prostitution racket, I put my hands up, turn around, and what do you call it? I have no phone, and still the nudes are being made from the Hindenburg, and the Hindenburg, of course, it must be a night vision. J7 don't film in night vision, neither this M02S phone. So the black and white thing, the night vision. So, uh, so I always in the prostitution, I put my hands up, turn around, and showed that I have no phone. And what do you call it? I did my thing every time. What do you call it? What do you call it? I got no phone. When I got no phone, I got no phone. So I used to eat in the prostitution racket, and the nudes were made from stolen and dead phone. I always have to, what do you call it, put my hands up and show the pockets in front of uh, the one who is, the what do you call it, the one with the hidden bug, which I always knew. So that's how it's what do you call it? It's a sting operation. So, uh, uh, what do you call after that? So the threats. Look, production dropped the money into the fake bank account. That means they already have the account number, but they are not providing it to public. That means production is a part of this. Fake bank account transaction people are giving threat are a threat that if so production is aiding them money to continue the murder attempts and all this stuff, which I don't fucking care because it's time to answer now. I got the papers. Hmm? And next is, huh? So last night when I was giving these details, this Beduk chap, what do you call it, started yelling at the door, and he was like, इसके बाप को किसके बाप उसके बाप को मारेगी और मेरे को फंसाएगी, जा मार. ऐसा कुछ तो वो क्या बोले रे, पप्पाला मारायला पाहिजे, स्वतःच्या पप्पाला मार, तो जा मार, और है ना जा, मेरे को ऐसे ब्लैकमेल करने का नहीं, मेरे ऊपर इल्ज़ाम डालेंगे क्या, जाऊँ आज चुदाओ, पहले उसको गधे से चुदवाया, गधे से गांड मारवा दी उसकी, और अब मर्डर डाल उसकी मर्डर डाल के मेरे ऊपर नाम डालेंगे, जा चल. मैं क्या करूँ, मेरे को क्या लेने देना है. फेक बैंक के अकाउंट के धंधे इनके, मेरे को बचाने के लिए उसके बाप की मर्डर वो कर रही है क्या, जा कर, फंसने वाला फंसता है बराबर. हाँ ना, अभी आई वॉज एट माई डोर गिविंग डिटेल्स, दैट्स ऑल आई कुड हियर. तो वो खुद के बाप को मारने के चक्कर में पैसे के लिए बेंचोद, इनकी माँ का भोसड़ा. मेरे को क्या करने गए इनसे, जाओ माजू दो। इनको कोई साइकिल नहीं दिलाएगा, इनको गाड़ी कौन दिला रहा है? चोरी कोई दिला रहा नहीं है, ये चोरी कर रहे हैं ना। इनके वो बैगन बटाटे को कोई साइकिल नहीं दिलाएगा, है ना? So production already has those that bank account number, which production is not providing it to public because the transaction holds the threat of murder attempts and prostitutes. Those are the prostitutes because murder attempt was done where while I was passing through their prostitution racket. In this one. So that's the thing. And I am kind of happy today. I thought it will be first Goa, Italy, and then US. I had no clue this is gonna be direct going there. Look, papers have come to me. I am the, what do you call it? I informed what was the result. I got it. Now don't fucking interfere my life. Go the stolen phone and the whatever you wanna do. Go fuck yourself. You know what the world is planning to do to you from the fake bank account transaction. You have no fucking clue. Production is already hiding that bank account, fake bank account, because the transaction holds all prostitutes and criminals. In this world.